I want to treat you to grilled steak today.
Wow, how could such a good thing happen?
Come and give me a slap.
All right. Sister Keqi, your hands are scary. It's really scary.
Brother Mung, bring your oven over here.
Mangzi, your oven is too heavy.
Go check and get some firewood to burn.
Come on, let's tie it up. You guys are roasting. I'm going to make the barbecue sauce. Go. Put the fire, please. Pumpkin, hand me the brush.
Sure.
Bromang, turn it over, please.
All right.
Grilled pork ribs is the soul.
Wow, this garlic water smells so good when you apply it. Why did you suddenly remember today? Are you treating us to grilled steaks?
You guys helped me crack walnuts yesterday. I'll treat you to meat today.
How can this be so embarrassing? Pardon, give me one of your sheep tomorrow.
I won't be embarrassed. Okay, just carry it over. It's ready. Done.
Pumpkin for you. Keqi, the pork ribs are so delicious. From now on, if you have something going on at home, call us. Let us handle.